National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oakland County until 8 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mortonville to South Lyon and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wolverine Lake and Walled Lake around 7 p.m. Oxford and Waterford around 7:05 p.m. West Bloomfield and Sylvan Lake around 7:10 p.m. Lakeville and Leonard around 7:15 p.m. Rochester Hills and Southfield around 7:20 p.m. Layberg Village and Beverly Hills around 7:25 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: West Bloomfield, Troy, Southfield, South Lyon, Royal Oak, Rochester, Pontiac, Oxford, Novi, Milford, Clarkston, Birmingham. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Oakland, Michigan. The National